often can you describe a car with one letter? And that letter causes a smile, even joy. It was back on October 22, 1969, at the Pier Hotel here in New York City, that Nissan first showed an attainable and authentic new sports car for the masses, the Datsun 240Z. As a lifelong car enthusiast, it is my great joy and honor to be here in New York, this time in Brooklyn, to help write the next chapter of the story with all-new 2023 Nissan Z. I would like to welcome all of you watching around the world, from Fair Lady Z fans in Japan to the annual ZCon gathering in Colorado Springs. I thank you. When we introduced our global transformation plan, Nissan Next, we set out to redefine our business, our culture, and our products from A to Z. And we have done that here in the United States and around the world, from the upcoming Aria to the refreshed Armada and Kicks, to the all-new Frontier and Pathfinder, and so much more. They are all passionately crafted vehicles, created by passionate employees like Alfonso Albaiza, our global head of design, and Hiroshi Tamura, chief product specialist for Nissan sports cars, who are both here with us tonight. Alfonso and Tamura-san and the entire Nissan team around the world have one goal: to thrill our customers, our friends, and our family. And when we talk about the real thrill, well, Z is the pure expression of thrill. It is a Nissan's passion wrapped on four wheels. When we introduced the Z in 1969, the Z was a revolution. Since then, for more than 50 years, Nissan has brought style, speed, reliability, and so much more to millions of enthusiasts around the world. The Z has always been an accessible sports car, always placed at the intersection of aspiration and attainability, of dreams and reality. The Z has been raced. It has been cruised. Z has created great memories on epic road trips and become a family legacy that is handed down and restored to glory. Z has become a part of our lives. I'm sure that all of you have Z story to tell, or hopefully more than one. You may have owned or still own a Z, or a family member or a friend drove a Z. In my case, story is little of both. I always get to see the past Fair Lady Z cars in the Nissan collection. But I got to know the Z best for several years while driving a Fair Lady Z every day on the roads of Tokyo. Driving the Z makes you feel connected. Connected to the car, connected to the road. No matter what stress is weighing on your mind, you know you can escape with just one flick of shifter. And when it came time for my daughter to choose a vehicle to drive around her home in United Kingdom, she picked a Z. I always knew she had good taste. Since we unveiled Z Proto last year, it has been fun to see the excitement and the speculation about the new Z. Many of you are quite good at guessing, but let's make it official. You can see that when we said that the Z Proto was 95% the production car, we were not kidding. From nose inspired by 240Z to its long hood distinctive profile, and 300ZX inspired tail lights. When you look at this car, only one letter comes to your mind: Z. Like every generation before it, this is a modern interpretation of Z. This 7th generation model retains its authenticity as a pure sports car to keep you connected to the road while bringing in the latest modern technologies to make sure the car can help keep you connected to your life. Inside, you find that combination of new technology and classic sports car appeal. From the driver's seat, you will find a completely modern 12.3-inch digital meter display that has different modes of match your driving scene. When you look to the right, you will find a trio of analog gauges as well, a timeless Z Touch. Just below these gauges is a standard 8-inch or available 9-inch touchscreen display that will help you keep you connected with the standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, available Nissan Connect with Wi-Fi, hotspot, and more. Under the hood is a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6 engine producing 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. It's smooth, powerful, and pulls hard in any gear. Now, speaking of gears, we continue to offer Z owners a choice. The Z comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission with an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission with pedal shifters available as well. And regardless if you choose to shift gears for yourself or let the car do it for you, the Z is so fun to drive. But the new Z isn't just about engine and interior. The entire car, chassis, cooling, suspension, steering have all been tuned by our engineers around the world to make sure that the Z makes the driver truly feel one with the car. It is a true performance grand touring machine ready to thrill Z enthusiasts and create a whole new generation of Z fans as well when it comes to market here in the United States in spring of 2022. I know that you are all ready to come and take a look at this car. And I say this to you folk here and to enthusiasts all around the world: the Z has been and will be always the last word in the sports car. Thank you.
we going to start to identify which parts of the car are most important for the next Z?
That's right. Every designer has a different experience of Z. So yeah, we want to kind of try to create the next Z-ness.
Great. Well, I look forward to that, and let's see what all the teams bring us.
I think Z-Car's point is join modernity and heritage, and simple and solidity mass. We respected from 240Z and 300ZX. I think this car's shape is very iconic, and any detail is very unique.
The prototype concept is authentic and also urban design. Authentic inspiration from the 240. This is the origin of the Z car. And also urban design is design from the second generation of the 300 Z car. It's kind of more modern and high-tech feeling.
This layout is very unique. 3 heritage analog meter. This is emotion value. Is on the top of the IP, and the next air vent, and the 9-inch center display that is supported by strong straight console.